Welcome to EDU World Space.
In this problem, we'll be talking about how to find the arc length in space, so in a three-dimensional system. So just remember that the way we do that is very similar to how we found it in the plane, just with the added component of a third dimension. So it's very similar to finding arc length with two-dimensional, but we just add in this third component to represent the third dimension. So I'll start off by finding the magnitude of this vector. So I need to find that magnitude. So what I'll do is take the square root of the square of each of these derivatives. So the derivative of 2t is 2, and I'll just square that. The derivative of t squared is 2t, and I just want to square that. And the derivative of 1/3 t cubed, 3 times 1/3 is 1, and subtract 2 is just t squared. So I'll go ahead and square that. Then I want to simplify this if possible. This is equal to, okay, 2 squared is 4. 2t squared is 4t squared. And t squared squared is t to the fourth. And usually these problems end up being kind of nice because I can simplify them further. So what I can see is that this is a perfect square. This factors into t squared plus 2 squared, or 2 plus t squared squared. So I'll just rewrite it this way. T squared plus 2 squared. And I'm taking the square root of a perfect square. So this just ends up being t squared plus 2. It's the magnitude of that vector. Now to find the arc length, I just want to integrate that value from my upper and lower bound. So the length of this arc will be equal to the integral from 0 to 1 of t squared, and excuse me, this was a 2, plus 2, t squared plus 2, and I'm integrating with respect to t. Power rule tells me to add 1 and divide, so that's integral of t squared is t cubed over 3. The integral of 2 is 2t, and I'm taking this integral from 0 to 1. Now I want to substitute. So I've got 1 cubed over 3, that's 1/3, plus 2 times 1, that's 2. And then I would subtract 0 cubed over 3, 0, plus 2, 0, so nothing. And so to finish simplifying this out, I have 1/3 plus 2, that's 1/3 plus 6/3, or 7/3. So the length of this arc is 7/3. And that's how you find that arc length in space.